Success is a journey that demands more than just hard work and dedication. It requires you to make sacrifices that most aren't willing to make. The truth that many won't tell you about ambition is that it comes with a price. And one of the biggest prices is the loneliness, the isolation you feel when you decide to go down a path that others don't understand. But the journey to overcoming it, that's the real challenge. It starts with realizing that the path you're walking isn't one most people will understand. There was a time when I felt like I was constantly fighting a battle within myself. I'd fall into temptation, give in to short-term gratification, and then feel the shame that followed. But here's the thing, I wasn't alone in this. Almost every person who's achieved something worthwhile has gone through this phase. It's a necessary chapter. A chapter where you question yourself, where you wonder if it's worth it, but you keep going anyway. Think about the greats in any field. They didn't get to where they are by indulging in every temptation that came their way. Kobe Bryant famously spent countless hours alone in the gym, honing his craft when everyone else was out socializing. And those moments of isolation, that's where true growth happens. Not when you're out trying to please everyone, but when you're focused on bettering yourself, no matter how uncomfortable it gets. You've got to learn to embrace that discomfort. It's the loneliness that sharpens your character, that tests your resolve. When I started my journey, I had to confront the harsh reality. I was not going to fit in with everyone. There were times when I doubted myself, especially when I had to turn down opportunities that seemed to promise comfort and security. The world tells you to take the easy route, to go with the flow, to settle for what everyone else is doing. But deep down, you know that's not the life you want. You have to be willing to walk alone for a while. The biggest mistake you can make is to be afraid of standing out, of embracing your own path. It's like Chris Williamson says, pretending to fit in is a paradox. It makes you feel even more disconnected. For me, I spent years compromising my own ambition because I was too scared of what people would think. But I learned that to build the life you want, you have to stop seeking validation from the crowd. Your journey is yours and yours alone. This is the cost of ambition. It's about confronting all the distractions that life throws at you. People will judge you. They'll question your choices. But the truth is, you don't need to justify your journey to anyone except yourself. At the end of the day, the most satisfying moments are those that were earned through struggle. It's the victories won in silence. In those moments when no one is watching, that will make you truly proud. So, don't be afraid to embrace that lonely chapter. It's hard, yes, but it's the foundation of everything you want to achieve. The world might not understand your drive, but that's okay. What matters is that you do. And when you finally come out the other side, you'll be stronger, wiser, and more confident than ever. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and remember, the path you're on isn't meant to be easy. It's meant to be worth it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, please go follow me on Instagram. My goal is to reach 60,000 followers this year, and I'd really appreciate your support. As always, I love you, and I'm praying for your success. Until next time, stay frosty.